Hey guys, in this video we're going to learn how to clear history, cookies and cache data from Mozilla Firefox browser. If you go to this 3-bar tab and select settings and switch to privacy and security and scroll down to the cookies and site data, you have this option which says clear data and manage data. Now if you want to just clear the cookies and cache, then you can just enable this checkbox and click on this clear button. So this will clear all the cookies and cache from your Firefox browser. Now if you want to clear history along with the cookies and cache, so what you can do is you can just click on clear history, and here you have these options, the check boxes, which will allow you to delete even more apart from the cookies and cache. So if you want to clear history, active logins, form fields and site data preferences, offline websites, then you can just enable these check boxes and select the time range, like what time range you want to delete, like for example today, or everything that you have cleared since you started using this browser or until the last clear. Then you can just select everything and click on yes. So this will remove everything, the data that is being stored in your browser. So you also have this option called as manage data, which will list out all the websites that is currently using the cookies and storage and all the information, but since we have cleared it, it got removed everything. So in this way you can clear history, cookies, cache and all the site data from your Mozilla Firefox browser.
Hey, let us know if you got any questions in the comment box below. Thank you. And please do not forget to subscribe, like and share the video. Cheers until the next time.